people might say, but we already have REITs and online crowdfunding platforms where you can buy and sell real estate. Why is tokenization any different? Well, there's a couple key points to understand here why it's different and how it can be beneficial. So essentially, when you buy and sell shares of a REIT is basically real estate that's pooled together and then put into a product that's bought and sold on public stock market exchanges. So because it's bought and sold on those exchanges, it actually acts somewhat like a stock and then kind of somewhat like real estate, making it a unique asset, if you will, because it is affected by what is happening in the stock market versus real estate just on its own is just affected by what's happening in the economy, which could be independent of the stock market. So a REIT is kind of a separate class because of the forces affecting that. Now, with crowdfunding sites, sure, those are places where you can easily buy and sell little pieces of real estate deals, but typically those real estate deals are very large deals that in order to make sense of the regulation rules that you have to have in order to offer what's considered securities on those types of online exchanges, the operators have to invest only basically in large assets in order to make sense and make those numbers work. So it limits the pool of available property types to a very specific, a larger type of property. Whereas tokenization can take the form of all different types of real estate and all different sizes. So say, for example, you own 3 short-term rental vacation properties and you would like to expand your portfolio, but you need to raise capital to do that. If you are tokenizing those properties, selling parts of that equity on the exchange, that gives you the liquidity to go out and expand your portfolio and easily offer more of that to investors as well. So it's a much more liquid, it gives you much more of ability to have a liquid portfolio and offer and raise money if you're a sponsor or if you're an investor, the ability to get into all different types of deals and all different types of markets and have a lot more options. And options are always good.